Are you looking for the best 3D cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Reto 3D 35mm 3D film camera. The Reto 35mm 3D film camera, also known as the Reto 3D, is a unique and innovative camera that brings a new dimension to your photographs. This camera is designed to capture images in 3D, giving your still moments a lively and dynamic withlegram effect. With its triple lens design, the Reto 3D simultaneously captures the same object from 3 slightly different angles, creating a stunning 3D image. Whether you're shooting in color or black and white, this camera is suitable for 35mm negatives and slides. It also features a built-in flash, allowing you to capture photographs day or night. Additionally, the Reto 3D comes with an iOS/Android app that assists you in generating videos with a 3D effect and offers special editing features for customized designs of 3D images. Experience the magic of 3D photography with the Reto 3D 35mm film camera. Number 2. Insta360 ONE X2 360 Waterproof Action Camera. The Insta360 ONE X2 is the ultimate pocket camera that allows you to shoot in every direction with super 5.7K 360 capture and easily choose your favorite angle later. It offers better than ever stabilization with flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms, and the invisible selfie stick lets you capture easy drone-like angles and third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist. The camera is also waterproof to 10 meters, 33 feet, without a case, making it the perfect choice for outdoor activities. What we like: easy to shoot in every direction with super 5.7K 360 capture. Better than ever stabilization with flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms. Invisible selfie stick lets you capture easy drone-like angles and third-person perspectives. Waterproof to 10 meters, 33 feet, without a case. Number 3. Kandao QooCam EGO 3D Camera. The Kandao QooCam EGO is designed to give you a true-to-life 3D experience with its dual lenses, capturing stunning visuals at 60 frames per second. You can easily create cinematic videos without the need for additional stabilizers, thanks to its built-in stabilization technology. The QooCam app allows you to edit and share your exciting 3D content seamlessly across social media. Plus, the integrated magnetic viewer makes it a breeze to watch your 3D footage right after shooting, providing instant enjoyment and a unique perspective on your memories. What we like: high-resolution 3D capture, built-in image stabilization, easy editing and sharing, instant 3D playback. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a waterproof 360 action camera that captures 5.7K 360 active HDR video and features dual 1/2-inch 48MP sensors for greater clarity and detail, even in low light. With the AI-powered Insta360 app, users can choose their favorite angle after the fact with easy reframing tools. The camera also has a 4K single-lens mode for shooting wide-angle footage, flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms for incredibly smooth videos, and the invisible selfie stick for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. The camera comes with a 120cm invisible selfie stick, a 64GB microSD card, and a lens cap. What we like: waterproof, 360 capture and reframing, dual 48MP sensors, flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick. Number 5. Asteroom 360 Camera 3D Virtual Tour Real Estate Kit. The Asteroom 360 Camera Kit allows you to turn your smartphone into a 360-degree camera, enabling you to create stunning 3D virtual tours in just 15 minutes. With no training required, you can easily shoot, upload, and share your tours online. The kit includes a tripod, digital camera rotator, and fisheye cam lens to ensure high-quality panoramic images. Using the Asteroom mobile app, your photos are converted into immersive tours within 24 to 48 hours. Each tour includes features such as a 3D dollhouse to showcase the property layout, image touch-up for professional quality, and a 2D floor plan for accurate dimensions. With HDR photo compatibility, teaser videos, and viewership analytics, this kit offers everything you need to create engaging virtual tours. The Asteroom phone cases, available for iPhone or Samsung Galaxy, are recommended for even better image quality. Plus, there are no monthly subscriptions, and you can create your first 3D tour for free with the redeem voucher included in the box. What we like: easy to use, high-quality virtual tours, no monthly subscription,